July 31st, so it's time to put away the old kit for July, bring on the new kit for August. So today, this evening, I have a kit share for you and a layout share for you, and then tomorrow morning there will be a new kit posted on my channel. So in case you are new to my channel, new subscriber, I do a monthly kind of scrapbook collaboration with a whole bunch of YouTubers. You can find all their links to their channels below. We show you what we made with our kit and do a layout share the last day of the month, and the first day of the month we all post our new kits that we're going to work with. Some of the girls participate every month, some of the girls participate every couple of months, some of the girls they use their kit for more than a month. It's very, very easy peasy, nice, drama-free YouTube collab. But there's about 20 of us that do this. So, okay, my kit for July was Chamel's Starshine. So I actually did quite a bit with this kit. I'm going to show you what I have here, and I will say that I am done with this kit for a while, so I'm going to break it all apart, I'm going to put it all away, and I'm starting with something brand new for August. I did a lot of layouts, but I only got 2 videos up on YouTube, and they came up really quick. So I think one of them came up Sunday, and one of them came up on this morning. Yeah? Okay. But I did more than that. I did more than that with this kit. So I'm going to show you all the projects I created. So I made it my goal in my last 2 layouts I created, which would be the last 2 videos, to use up as many scraps as I could. And so I'm hoping there aren't a lot of scraps in there. This goes in with all of my embellishments. This goes over here with my acrylics. This goes in with my embellishments. I'm still going to put these, but I'm going to put these back in with my cut files that I have. Little pieces like this, I'm totally tossing. But I'm going to keep the cut apart sheets and the branding strips because I do tend to use them. I got through a good bit of this chipboard, which is awesome. Still have a little bit of die cuts left, but not too many. My 6x6 pad is definitely thinner than it was at the beginning of the month. Acrylics go back. Cut files go here. These types of pieces I find myself pulling for and using quite often, so I'm going to hang on to those. But the rest of the scraps, like these little bits, I'm going to toss. I think I said that already. So that can stay with, this can go over here. I actually did get to use my Kiwi Land templates, which is really fun. So this can go back into my tools, in with my other tools. I'm going to separate these out. These can go back into my stash. And actually, these are so nice and neutral that I am just going to pop them right into there. I'm going to keep these with the collection. I'm going to keep those. I'm going to keep that because it's a cut apart sheet. But I'm going to keep this because that's my favorite paper of all time. But these little bits I'm going to toss. I'm going to keep those. So, and these, some of these bits I'll keep, the ones that are from cut apart sheets, but just little pieces like this I'm going to toss. Oh, let me fix my camera here. It looks like it's getting wonky. Okay, so I went ahead and I got all the scraps. So these are the papers that I have left. So just a few. And I still really, really, really love this collection. I just get bored with stuff fairly quickly. So for me, I have to change out my kit. Even if I haven't like totally killed one yet, I have to keep it. I have to keep it fresh. Or I get bored. And then this chipboard piece, which was for Rediscover Your Stash. I I actually used a lot of the chipboard on the sheet. I'm super duper excited. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to pull all these chipboard pieces off of this piece. And I'm going to pull all the sticky off the back. And then I'm going to put them in this little container that I keep directly beside on my desk. And I'm going to put it in there to kind of try to use it up a little bit. So a little bit more. And then, yeah, that's my kit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all away, and I'll be back to show you my layouts and cards I created. Okay, so I didn't get a ton done with my kit, but I got way more than I got done last month. So that was really good. So the first thing I'll share with you are these 2 cards. I used the chipboard stars, I used some itty bitty sprinkles, and I made a graduation card, and then this one more is like an anniversary card, I guess. And I paired my starshine with the Bella Flora stamp set from Ink Road Stamps. I have this layout, which is an 8.5 by 11 horizontal layout, and there is a video for this one. And these are in their page protectors, ready to just get put straight into the album. This one also features some of that Maggie Holmes chipboard and my Kiwi Lane templates, and there is also a process video for this one, and this process video actually went up a couple hours ago earlier today. Then, let me see here. Okay. I did this page, which I worked along with. I bought the Clear Your Desk class by Shamel. I buy all of her classes. I also bought Layer on Layer, but I haven't gotten around to doing anything with that one yet because I'm trying to still work through the Clear Your Desk one. So this layout and this one were both inspired by that class, as was this one. And so this one has some stamping. It has, I used the Kiwi Lane templates for my banners up here. Just a little bit more stamping. And this one, I used my Ellie Studio stamps. I used some of the acrylic shapes on here and some of the die cuts. Some of the acrylic shapes. This is one of the Ellie Studio acrylic shapes that was in my kit too. And then I made a pocket page. So I used lots of stuff. I used some of that washi tape. I used some of the chipboard. This is the chipboard from Maggie Holmes. Well, you can kind of see it there, how I used it there. And then if you flip it over, I did this side as well. Again, pairing some of that chipboard with elements from the Starshine collection. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages complete, and 2 cards, which I have to tell you, considering when you consider, you know, whenever I show layout shares, you always have to think about the fact that this is extra and on top of my design team responsibilities, my family life, you know, all those things. So I am super duper happy with what I was able to accomplish this month. And yeah, I'm hoping that you'll swing by my channel tomorrow to see my new kit that I have ready to go. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.